Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of that circle. Regardless of the circle's size, this ratio will always equal pi. In decimal form, the value of pi is approximately 3.14. The pi symbol is adopted by math guy Leonhard Euler in 1737. The number 1 is the most common number in the first 100,000 decimal places of pi.
Many people have attempted to calculate pi to its last digit. However, the record is only 2 quadrillion digits and is held by a man named Nicholas Z. It will take 133 years just to recite 6.4 billion digits of pi, and there are still more numbers as pi is considered infinite.
A Star Trek episode called Wolf in the Fold emphasizes how hard it would be to find the last digit, and that Spock challenges a computer to find it, but is not successful.
Pi is amazing.
3.1415, 92653, 58979, 528462,
6433832,
7950288.
419 7169 399 375 10582, 097 4944 5923 078164.